Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to deactivate Messenger only, not Facebook. 1. Open the Facebook app. 2. Tap on the profile icon to access the menu section. 3. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy and then tap on Settings. 4. In the settings, choose Personal Information. 5. Tap on Manage Account. 6. On the account page, locate and tap on Deactivate. 7. Enter your password when prompted. 8. You'll reach a page where you need to provide a reason for deactivation. Choose an appropriate option and proceed. Now, open the Messenger app and tap on the menu icon to open the Messenger menu. Scroll down and select Account Settings. In the Settings page, tap on Personal Information. Choose Manage Account and finally tap on Deactivate and enter your password to confirm. When prompted for the reason, select Other and then specify that you want to deactivate only your Messenger account. Tap on Continue to complete the process, and congratulations, you have successfully deactivated your Messenger account while keeping your Facebook account active. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if this was helpful, and I will see you on the next one.